Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to register with the FXoro Global broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select FXoro Global and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click to register or sign up. In the registration section, you enter your first and last name, along with your country of residence, mobile phone number, email address, and account type, where you can choose between a fixed or floating account. You confirm the terms and conditions by ticking the box. Click on I am not a robot, and finally click on Join. In the next step, you will see information about your private area and MetaTrader account, and you save the information. You click Show on Continue. You enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created, and in a future video, you will be given instructions on completing and verifying your account on fx.org. Good luck.